This is the basement where the water comes in from the front of the building that Lamke replaced. The water meter outside and the pipe that goes from the water meter into this valve is causing all the flooding. And that right here, constantly going down the wall, going down right there, causing all this flooding. It's constantly running everywhere down this steady stream of water from the broken valve pipe. I will take this glass and stick it underneath this valve pipe that has been broken from the construction and watch it fill up. See it right there. See it broken right there, coming into the house. Every time it rains, steady flow of water. You're not filling, and Lamke not filling the hole back up correctly from stopping the rainwater and possibly breaking the pipe where the new water meter is, of it constantly flowing into my parents' basement. Just by that for 2 minutes. Just doing that all day long. And all this water down here. This is constant flooding with the flow of the house. And this is just this morning coming into their walk-in closet. And it only gets worse as the day goes on. All from that steady stream coming down the wall here. And running that way with the house flow of the water. You can see the stream of water flowing constantly. Doing that 24 hours a day. My parents have been here for 28 years. I've never experienced anything like this. A week later, after Lamke supposedly fixed everything, this has happened. Going on 2 years now. Over 2 years now. It's ridiculous. go in my parents' basement. It's caused from damage that Lamke has done and didn't do anything correctly.